is in India, and for people, dance in India equates to Madhuri, and of course, choreographer par excellence, the curator of Jugni, the Indo Contemporary Dance Festival that is going to be launched.
First of all, thank you very much, Shubhi. Thank you very much for a beautiful introduction. At the outset, I just want to thank Madhuri Dixit Nene for absolutely being charming and coming here and being a part of this festival. We go a long way together, but we will not talk about that right away. We're going to talk about what the festival is and why this festival is being brought about. I'm a part of the biggest dance festival in the world, which is celebrated every year in the summer of the European summer, which is the Impulse Dance in Vienna. And this is my 10th year that I'll be teaching there. And it has the biggest dance facilities in the world, and it's supported by the European Union. And a small conversation, a very arbit conversation 2 years ago led me to thinking, why not have this festival? The thing that came into my head is that we as a culture have the largest number of people that encourage people to dance, whether it's movies, whether it's through our culture of celebrating weddings or any other festival. Men, women, children, adults, everybody dances in our culture, which you don't see in other Western cultures. It's only encouraged for the young people. And the whole of the world has only one classical dance, ballet, whereas in our country we have 7 classical dances, and plus in each of our culture we have folk dances. So we are very rich in the tradition of dance, and Madhuri herself has been a big champion of the dance cause. It has made her life through her acting and her dance career has been phenomenal, and that trajectory has been superb. And the festival basically is the first of its kind, the Indo Contemporary Dance Festival in Mumbai. And she is a Mumbai girl, Amchi Mulgi, the Maharashtrian Mulgi. And therefore it was very apt for me to kind of ask her to partner up with us, not just as the Mumbai girl, but also from the fact that she is an icon of dance, grace, beauty, which all symbolizes dance. And also she has dignified dance. First dance was created as just nachaniya, but now because of what she did with dance in films, she dignified it, she gave it a lot more dignity, and people started respecting dance. And not only that, she took a step further by incorporating Dance with Madhuri, which is an app which allows millions of people, not just in India but across the globe, to take up dance tutorials for free of cost. And that is a great initiative, and that is the reason why in principle me and Madhuri are both on the same page, because we want to create a festival which allows people to come together to celebrate dance, to enjoy dance, bring all international teachers and national teachers together to give emerging artists a chance to perform on this platform, which otherwise is difficult for them, because otherwise to become a choreographer or to get into that level is not so easy. बस यही एक मकसद था कि हम सभी जो डांसर्स हैं उनको एक साथ मिलाएं, एकजुट बन जाएं, और जब 5 उंगलियां मिल जाती तो ताकत बन जाती. तो हम चाहते हैं कि डांस को वैसे भी जैसे माधुरी जी इज वेरी पॉपुलर विद झलक, एंड आल्सो फॉर द फैक्ट दैट शी हैज डांस्ड ब्यूटीफुली इन मूवीज. I have been given this great respect and this honor thanks to Dance India Dance, which is a great platform for emerging artists and emerging talent. And it is my responsibility, and probably also hers, that we make sure that we can create something which is alive, which is kicking, which can bring the youth of the country and also people who are dance lovers, aficionados, all those people who want to really love dance and all the ones who want to create dance to come together and share that experience. So that was the aim of the festival. Very, very happy and proud to present this one in its first year, and it's our great privilege that we have Madhuri to inaugurate this festival and kickstart. Most importantly, that I think sabhi jo jante hain ki 29th April Antarashtriya Dance Divas hai. So it's an international dance day, and it's celebrated all around the world. So it's a very opportune moment that we are celebrating, and we are kick-starting the International Dance Day on 29th April. And it will go on to NCPA, Prithvi and Andrews for 3 days, and then it will be celebrated another 2 days where we will party and we will have socials, where we will interact, meet and greet. What's the special feature of this festival? इसकी खास बात ये है कि ये सिर्फ परफॉर्मेंस या वर्कशॉप नहीं, लेकिन यहाँ पर पैनल डिस्कशंस होंगे where the government of India, where also the funding bodies like the Tatas and the IFAs will come together on one platform and discuss opportunities for dancers as to what they can do and how they can apply for funding. We all know that a lot of dancers get funding abroad, especially American dancers and European dancers. They have a great access to corporate funding and to government funding. The government of our country also has kept funding for dancers, but it never reaches them because most dancers don't know about it. So we're also educating dancers. We're also bringing Max Muller Bhavan, Alliance Francaise, the American Center, Pro Helvetica. These are all consulates which have joined hands with us to educate Indian dancers and Indian artists about what opportunities they have abroad. So this way they get access to a lot of information and not just performance and workshop. Also, the unique feature of this festival is that it's Indo-contemporary, and most importantly, we're also starting something called site-specific work. Most dancers look at platform like a stage, but we're also giving dancers an opportunity to perform anywhere, which means it could be a tree, it could be a people tree, in a compound, in a space like Andrews or NCPA, and a performance is being celebrated around that tree, and Indo-contemporary lends itself. So you don't have to have, you know, the typical stage setting. It could be a very unique setting, and the youth of today love contemporary dance simply because even though you might learn the specific style, you can give it your own voice, your own language, and make it your own. And that's the power of contemporary dance. And the youth of today are very, very clear that they want to speak their language. After learning what they can from the gurus, they are very interested in sharing something which they feel is important to them. So that's why Indo-contemporary is so much dear to young people, and that's the whole idea of getting this whole movement going a little bit more further. I think I've spoken a lot, and I guess a lot of questions are there in your heads, so I'll leave it open for that. Thank you very much.
Before we leave it open, I'm sorry, could I please have some few words from you, Madhuri?
Absolutely.
गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन. अच्छा, वो कह रहे प्लीज़ खड़े रह जाइए, तो मुझे खड़े रहना पड़ेगा अभी. लेकिन आप सबका स्वागत है. आज मुझे यहाँ के बहुत खुशी हो रही है, क्योंकि मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि ना कि सिर्फ हिंदुस्तान में, लेकिन सारे देश में, सारी दुनिया में बहुत टैलेंट है, और इस टैलेंट को डिस्कवर करना, उसे सराहना, उसे मोल्ड करना बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. और इसी थॉट को लेते हुए टेरेंस ने ये फेस्टिवल बनाया है जुगनी, जहाँ टैलेंट डिस्कवर होगी. जो डांसर्स हैं, जिनको कभी कभी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ भी नहीं मिलते हैं, उन्हें ये अपॉर्चुनिटी दी जा रही है कि वो वहाँ आए, परफॉर्म करे, अपनी आर्ट पूरे दुनिया को दिखाए. तो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट आई थिंक आई एम वेरी प्राउड. और मैं इस बात पे भी मुझे गर्व है कि डांस विद माधुरी, जो मेरी ऑनलाइन डांस एकेडमी है, वो इस फेस्टिवल के साथ जुड़ी हुई है, क्योंकि ये मेरा मानना है कि टैलेंट को हमें सर्च करना है और उसे एक दिशा देनी है जो अभी नहीं है. और मैं यहाँ क्यों हूँ, क्योंकि टेरेंस और मेरी पहचान बहुत बहुत पहले की है. और जब वो स्ट्रगल कर रहे थे, जब मैं भी एक अपना करियर बना रही थी लेकिन मैं अपना करियर बना रही थी, तब की पहचान है. और मैंने देखा कि इंडिया में कितना स्ट्रगल करना पड़ता है डांसर्स को. उन्हें वो अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिलती नहीं है, उन्हें अपना हुनर दिखाने की जो एक वक्त होता है वो मिलता नहीं है. और आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ यू टेरेंस कि यू आर डूइंग दिस. तो ऑल द बेस्ट टू यू एंड ऑल द बेस्ट टू दिस फेस्टिवल. थैंक यू. वेरी वेरी पावरफुल, एंड विद द इफेक्ट यू कैन हैव ऑन पीपल, द कनेक्शन यू कैन हैव विद पीपल. क्योंकि इंडिया में डांस तो सब जगह है, हमारे फेस्टिवल्स में है, हमारे मतलब कल्चर में ही डांस है, और वो एक पावरफुल है क्योंकि हमारा कल्चर इज़ वेरी पावरफुल. And I think dance brings out that culture, and that's one of the most powerful things.
And Terence,
जुगनी इज उसका मतलब है फायरफ्लाई, अ फीमेल फायरफ्लाई. और वो रात में जुगनू जो होते हैं वो दे लाइट अप द एंटायर नाइट स्काई, एंड द होल आइडिया इज टू लाइट अप आवर लाइव्स. डांस लाइट्स अप आवर लाइव्स. Jugni is a symbolism of that.
is there a place for classical dance in India?
Yes, absolutely. Even on my dance academy, which is online, there is all kinds of dancing. It's dance neutral. ऐसा नहीं कि एक टाइप का ही डांस सिखाया जाता है. बॉलीवुड है, क्लासिकल है, कंटेम्प्रेरी है, सालसा, पचाटा, जो भी आपको सीखना है, सब स्टाइल्स हैं उस पर. तो क्लासिकल डांसिंग इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, क्योंकि जब आप क्लासिकल सीखते हैं, आप कोई भी डांस स्टाइल सीख सकते हैं.
इसमें जो जजेस हैं साउथ के भी आपने रखे हैं, तो इस फेस्टिवल में क्लासिकल डांस वगैरह सब लिए जाएंगे?
तो जो कंटेम्प्रेरी डांस है वो क्लासिकल से डांस से ही उभरता है. आप कंटेम्प्रेरी डांस नहीं बन सकते जब तक आप क्लासिकल डांस ना सीखें. सो क्लासिकल डांस का महत्व बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. बिकॉज दिस इज इंडो कंटेम्प्रेरी, तो आपको दोनों क्लासिकल डांस फॉर्म्स which is ballet and also either Kathak or Bharatanatyam or Odissi, any of the 7 classical dance form को जोड़कर कुछ करना पड़ेगा.
और जो टीचर्स को जो फायदा मिले वो कैसे मिले वो भी समझाओ. और आफ्टर दिस फेस्टिवल कंटिन्यूटी क्यों नहीं चाहती है? कंटिन्यू होना चाहता है कि लोगों को फायदा मिलता रहे.
तो मेरा मानना यह है कि आज जो हमारी डांसर्स जो है वो बहुत ही बढ़ चुके हैं, वो दे आर इन कैंप्स. तो मैं चाहता हूँ ये कैंप्स टूट जाए और हम एकजुट हो जाए. बिकॉज कई लोगों को पता नहीं कि क्या हो रहा है अलग अलग देशों में, अलग अलग परिस्थितियों में, और क्या अपॉर्चुनिटीज है. इफ यू आर इन अ सर्टेन कंपनी, यू ओनली नो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन दैट कंपनी, यू डोंट नो व्हाट्स हैपनिंग आउटसाइड. We want all the companies, all choreographers, all dancers, all teachers to come together to share their experience, because that way they will be able to kind of build an entire community of dance that is technically advanced and on which you can build. And it's very important for that, for us all us to have to have this sense कि अरे कुछ घबराने की कोई बात नहीं है. It's a neutral platform. पैसे बनाने का चक्कर नहीं है यहाँ पे. The whole idea is to promote you. और यहाँ से एक बंदा या बंदी, लड़का या लड़की, उसको पूरी स्कॉलरशिप दी जाएगी to travel to the biggest dance festival of the world, which is Impulse Dance, and everything is paid for. There are 110 teachers on their platform. तो जिसकी भी workshops उनको करनी है वो कर सकते हैं. Every day there are performances. There are different kinds of situations. There are also teacher training workshops for them. All of this is free of cost. उनका travel, उनका visa, उनका रहन सहन, खाने तक भी, that also allowance is all paid for by the Impulse Dance Festival Vienna, with whom I've partnered and with whom I'm also on the panel.
Very
And
good.
very important बात मैं कहना चाहता हूँ, मैं भूल गया कहने, कि बहुत सारे ऐसे dancers हैं जो टीवी पर नहीं आना चाहते हैं. वो समझते हैं कि टीवी के लिए how television works, you need to have a personality for television. It's not only dance, it's also about your personality. And many dancers feel कि their only personality that they have is about dance. They don't need to add anything of their own, in the sense that उनके लिए dance ही उनकी पहचान है. So somehow for television, many of these artists, because they don't have emotional stories or they don't have drama, they somehow get left behind. मैंने कई dancers को देखा है जो दिन रात मेहनत करते हैं स्टूडियोज में, और वो बहुत ही खूबसूरत dancers हैं, लेकिन वो टीवी पर नहीं आना चाहते because they're shy about television. They don't have that emotional drama and that story, और मेरा माँ का सपना, ये वो सब नहीं है उनके में. They are just very interested in their dance and their craft. उनके लिए क्या प्लेटफॉर्म है. बहुत सारे ऐसे मेरे खुद के डांसर्स हैं जो बोलते हैं सर, जो डांसर्स टीवी पे आए जैसे शक्ति, पुनीत, मयूरेश, शंपा, they are all my students and they have all passed out from me and they have gone great, but they are all on television so everybody knows them. But there are lots of dancers who are out there working with me and who are independent, who do not want to be on television. उनके लिए क्या प्लेटफॉर्म है? How do they become popular? How do they reach out their craft to others? That is why Jugni is that very important platform for these people. उन बच्चों के लिए जो टीवी पर नहीं आना चाहते हैं, जो बहुत ही बखूबी अपना काम करते हैं, जो दिन रात मेहनत करते हैं, and they would probably go unnoticed.
It's a good move and keep it up.
Thank you Rajendra ji.
पर आप कभी किसी को एडमायर किए थे खुद से, मतलब आप किसको एडमायर करती थी उस एरिया की बात करें, आपके अलावा भी कई लोग थे?
मेरी जो एडमिरेशन है वो वैजयंती माला जी, वहीदा रहमान जी, हेलन जी, फ्रेड एस्टेयर, जीन कैली, all these wonderful dancers who are trained, मतलब क्लासिकली ट्रेंड हैं सब, और उन्होंने जो डांसिंग है उसे एक लेवल ऊपर ले गए whenever they have danced. तो ये मेरे आइडल्स हैं whenever.
और इस इनिशिएटिव के लिए आप किसी को एसोसिएट करना चाहेगी, मतलब आपके अलावा अगर कोई सेलिब्रिटी हो?
Well, मैं तो चाहूँगी हर सेलिब्रिटी एसोसिएट हो इससे, क्योंकि इट्स एन इम्पॉर्टेंट मूव. हम टैलेंट डिस्कवर करना चाहते हैं, हम चाहते हैं कि नए डांसर्स को ये प्लेटफॉर्म मिले जहाँ वो आपके आके अपना हुनर दिखा सके, अपनी आर्ट दिखा सके. तो जितने और स्टार्स आ सके हम तो विल बी वेरी हैप्पी.
माधुरी जी, बाजीराव मस्तानी में प्रियंका एंड दीपिका आर कमिंग ऑन द सेम प्लेटफॉर्म. It's a Lavani song that's been choreographed by Remo. How excited are you to see the two of them together? And you being a Maharashtrian, it's a Lavani song.
See, I'm always excited. Anything about dance excites me, so I'm very excited.
You also had two songs, which were very similar. Face Off tha with Karishma and one with Aishwarya, Dola Re Dola.
Dola Re Dola was more like, two women dancing together. The competition bit was with Karishma in Dil To Pagal Hai. Well, yeah, because when we were doing Dil To Pagal Hai, it was wonderful. Shamak was the choreographer for that. And I think I was doing that style of dancing for the first time, which is a little more jazz and contemporary, mixed. So, बहुत मज़ा आया था when we danced, and Karishma and me got along very well. So we had a great time. When I did Dola Re Dola with Aishwarya, again, Saroji, of course, my association with her has been so long. और जब वो कोरियोग्राफ कर रही थी और वो गाना इतना terrific था, and the way Sanjay Leela Bhansali has picturized it, इतने सारे trolley shots and they were very long shots, and it was after a long time a song was being shot on that level. और उस तरह के जो शॉट्स थे, लंबे लंबे शॉट्स, ट्रॉली, हम वन एक्टर गोज ऑफ, द अदर कम्स इन, देन दे बोथ आर टुगेदर, तो बहुत मजा आया वो करते वक्त.
I just wanted to ask, I mean, how Terence just pointed out how you had dignified dance in the Indian film industry. Are you the last who did that, considering that breed isn't there anymore? I mean, if you look at the cinema of the 70s, even the 60s, there was Kathak, there was Bharatnatyam, Vajanti Mala, Asha Parekh doing all of those. I mean, the leading ladies were actually excelling in classical dance forms. But do you think our songs are now, our leading ladies are now reduced to item numbers?
I think it's every era has its own way of picturizing songs, and for me it was a strong point for me that I have learned classical dancing, and it helped me a lot when I was doing Bollywood dancing, or when I did all the dance numbers, whether it was with Prabhudeva or Saroji or Shamak or any of the choreographers. It helped me a lot. Secondly, I think because I love dancing so much, I always strive for excellence, whatever dance I did. Even with Saroji, I had a pact with her saying that because we are working so much together, we should not repeat a movement that we do. Every time a song should look new, and we worked very hard on everything. So I think that's why the songs look different. Every song looks different from the other, and we strive for that, and we worked hard.
How is it that even in today's time you do, Viagra, as in Viagra via Agra, and it still looks graceful? I mean, with all those words, it still looks graceful, and we still.
It's via Agra. It's your mind. It's in your mind.
Well, it isn't as yet, but yeah.
No, but I do agree
No,
that
I
she's the last of the lot that actually has been able to kind of create a very huge dent in, or keep a lasting mark or an impression on the industry with her dance and her skill. And it's not just about her artistry; it's also about how she brings her personality and grace. And Madhuri for me is grace, and I think that's what is very important. And the films and the songs that we see today are also very interesting. They have a different demand, they have a different spiel, and the choreographers are also trying to do something different. It's not that they are not trying very hard, but it's also limiting to the kind of zone that they are put in. Like a Dolare is going to come out of a song from a movie like Devdas, because it allows that range of movement to happen. So depending on what films are being done, those kind of things will also make a lot of difference.
Does any of the current crop like call you for advice if they're doing some of those songs?
No, nobody calls for advice. I don't think they need advice. They need the advice of the choreographers, not me. And that's for whom they have to, interact with and understand what the choreographer is trying to achieve through a particular song, and just emote accordingly. I don't know. I don't think people should be looking for the next Madhuri Dixit. I mean, they should be looking for the next whoever star of that generation is. You cannot be the same person again, right? So I think era will have its own stars, and someone who comes to the fore and really makes a difference. Well, हम celebrate करेंगे क्योंकि ये festival launch हो रहा है, Festival Jugni. Of course, we will be celebrating on dancewithmadhuri.com also, because that's also everything to do with dance. And so it's a big day for all of us, all the dancers in the world. I think it's a huge day, and we will be celebrating and very happy that day. I have no idea what you're talking about, so I cannot answer you. But maybe on another platform, sometime I can answer it. I'm sure they do. Very, very. एक मेरा बहुत पॉपुलर हुआ था शेर, ये देवदास में सुनाया था मैंने. यूं नजर से बात की और दिल चुरा गए, हम तो समझे थे बुत, आप तो धड़कन सुना गए.
Alright, I think that's all the time we have for the questions that you've asked. We do have a photograph opportunity, but we shall do that behind this backdrop. I'm hoping every member has collected their CDs and the press kit. The CD has all the information about Jugni and the schedule and what all is going to happen. Every single day has been mapped out. So please make sure that you do go through the CD and make the most of it, and please spread the word around. It will really help us. This is a non-profit venture for the Indo-contemporary dance to come to Bombay. I'm hoping that all of you can make this into a success that we're looking forward to. We'd like you to have the photograph opportunity. Madhuri, can I please request you to come this side?